Clean up. To make a place clean and tidy. We cleaned up the kitchen after dinner. Please clean up your room before your friends arrive. Go off. To ring or suddenly begin to operate. My alarm went off at 6 o'clock. The timer went off when the cake was ready. Ward off. To prevent something unpleasant or harmful from coming close or happening. She wore a warm coat to ward off the cold. The family used mosquito spray to ward off mosquitoes. Doze off. To fall asleep for a short time. She dozed off while watching television. The tired passenger dozed off on the train. Wear out. To make someone extremely tired or to become damaged from too much use. The long hike wore us out. These old shoes are worn out and need to be replaced. Pay off. To produce a good result after hard work. His years of training paid off when he won the race. Her hard work finally paid off when she got the job. Brush off. To ignore someone or refuse to pay attention to something. She brushed off the rude comment and continued speaking. The manager brushed off the employee's concerns. speak out. To express your opinion openly, especially about something wrong. She spoke out against unfair treatment at work. The students spoke out about the school's new rules. Break out. To suddenly begin or appear, especially something unpleasant or unexpected. A fire broke out in the kitchen. Laughter broke out when the comedian told a funny joke.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!